Today we're at McDonald's and we're gonna do a Happy Meal unboxing.
No.
So this is our Happy Meal. We got some chocolate milk and
Oh, shoot.
we just got
What's this?
we got some tiny fries. We got a teeny chicken nuggets. Oh my gosh, what is? Oh, we got mats from People Like Pets. This is a pretty content-worthy Happy Meal, we gotta admit. So let's open up these chicken nuggets.
Oh my god,
Last
bruh.
time Aiden ate these chicken nuggets, got
Food poisoning and it sucked.
So Aiden, you're gonna have to eat one for the content. And you're not gonna die, okay? Stop acting like it's poison.
Are we supposed to give this to like Okay, I think that's it. Let's rebox it.
No. We have to eat this.
I'm not.
Completely good. Really good chicken nuggets, I'm not gonna lie.
It tastes like poop. We'll just beep that out.
Dang, I cannot believe that out. Yeah, Aiden's it bad. But, okay. What else? We got fries.
Yeah.
Put my own money into this.
I want to keep this thing because it's so sad.
I know, it's just funny. And then we got the McDonald's chocolate milk.
Bottle flip.
So this is basically, and just slipped on the crap.
Just stop eating fries.
It was literally only like $3, so I'm just glad. We're literally just doing like a joke video. But people were requesting that I did a McDonald's video, so I might as well. Alright guys, so I've got this chocolate milk here, and I'm gonna chug it so fast, alright? Guys, you ready for this?
Sure.
If nobody wants them, I'll eat the apple slices.
Chug that whole chocolate milk, and I think I might barf, honestly. And then here we have got some more stuff.
Chicken nuggets.
Yeah, I got some chicken nuggets.
Chicken McNuggets. This is not sponsored.
Slices. Yeah, not sponsored. Just to me. So
Yeah, we're just here.
yeah, at a local McDonald's, eating some
How you want
McDonald's
this?
Happy Meal.
More sauce skin on it.
Bruh. We're keeping this. I'm gonna bring this home. Both these things.
We got this Max toy. Give me one of our most prized Cool Beans possessions here today. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, really enjoyed the 30 subs we just got. So, thanks, guys. We'll enjoy. Tell your friends to subscribe. This video cost us like $3. And, yeah, so.
Hi.
We'll
Make sure
take
to
donations.
subscribe.
We'll take donations.
Yeah.